Make a great choice today with the 2025 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.